Yeah, follow me over Auntie Debbie Salon. Mama want me get something. I don't really feel like going away right now. If they go on this shoot, I really keep on a call my phone and a cuss. They don't know if we do no more. She get really irritating. Like I'm tell you before, stop worrying about it. Alright, listen, I'm gonna stop worrying about something like that. Simple, you don't know if the baby are year one, so why you kill up yourself for? Just wait till the baby born, do a DNA test, and everything gonna fall back, alright? Now listen, we need to leave right now, okay? I'm gonna wait for me and she gonna start cussing all them fool she stay, you know she stay already. For we'll leave.
But look up on me two handsome nigga them wanna finally come look for me. Richard and Sebastian, you know from when me away pound now and I couldn't even come look for me. I saw not deal with me away. I mean I'm my favorite auntie.
Auntie Debbie, you're our only auntie.
No bother with it. It's a bad mouth me Richard, I want to tell you. Sebastian, oh look at you look so good, you look just like your father. So while I bag of talking and thing, wanna come here for?
Your auntie ain't easy, you know. Look over this one. Boom!
You old idiot, you know, I'm to you. So I can't stand you know. Your mother in a bag of chatting with me lately. I'm not really in the mood for it, okay? So what you come here for? You so damn fool like a... Look boy, me licking your face now. I'm tearing them chop. I hope I never tell her about the baby, you know, because she not gonna take it lightly and she will look for that girl and run her over. But make you know that straight, Richard.
No man, only one Sebastian no.
I'm gonna be honest with you. I never expect that you would do something so stupid. Sebastian, yes, you know. Or if you breed somebody, come on, Richard.
Yes, the smart one, the brilliant one, the one with all of the common sense. Breed one girl at this age. No, believe me, I'm shocked myself. I may try very hard for stay sane. I may try not to look away so people start questioning.
No matter how smart you want to be, you're still a man. That's all me know. That's honesty. But listen, I'm there for you if you need anything, but just don't tell she nothing because trust me, it's gonna blow out of proportion for you. And mommy will make it 10 times worse.
Me look at me ready for your mother to come cuss me or commit murder. Trust me. I'm not gonna make she know what I go on. Not even my mother want know what I go on.
Cause you're taking this really lightly. It's really a bit more vexed or scared. I mean, this is something really big, you know, and it's not a little thing. It'll go on more bigger than what you expect it to be, and may I try not to scare you, but still, this is a lot we have to deal with. Just don't make up your face or nothing. Mommy can't sense them somebody. So just go on like say we'll talk about whatever. Trust me, anything she'll know. It's like she have 5 years and 6 years to us. Only part things we can't even hide from her without her knowing everything about what going on in my life. Trust me. Sorry, this idiot boy keep on harassing me. But look here, if you want me to page a girl, me do it for you.
Alright, cuz.
So you're not gonna talk about the girl that where takes off your phone from the other day, Anthony? Me look like me an idiot. Me swear things say all of this would have just stopped, but you continue to do the same thing over and you ignore me like me not talk to you. Anthony, you piss me off, you know? I thought say you love me. Or you still a continue to talk to other woman? So far down you go now in a life that you can't keep.
Alia, listen, you're too damn paranoid. You see me a chat to no girl. I want to your man.
Me see the text me on your phone now. You think me an idiot?
We even are going on my phone for? That's the real question me want to know.
Why that girl that text about she miss you? That's what the question me want to know.
If you would have searched up my phone, them sitting there won't even bother you.
Alright, go and think say me an idiot, Anthony.
Listen, no, me and Kareem have a plan. We are go on this big trip, but I want you to come too. But you have to go find a girl for bring. I know you that girl, you know, because it's important. Maybe we can ask one of the girls from the upper class to come with me. Maybe Cutian or something, or Sherry. I don't know. What you think? If you can't find a girl, me hook you up with somebody, man.
Alright, no say a word. You do it. You come with on a trip. More have to make a phone still.
Yeah, sorry about the text earlier. I never me sent it earlier. You know, she go on the most way, you know. Criticize me about foolishness. But listen, you have to stop texting my phone. Because she'll harass me about it.
I don't see why you do with her fast. You're a freaking idiot. Why not just leave her, Anthony? All she do is knock every freaking minute. You're too young for you to settle down anyways.
Listen to me now, come with the foolishness, alright? Just stop texting me.
But everything what you ask me for do. Me dash for the baby and you still come here and you laugh for me. You know much that hurt me for dash for the baby. That would have been my first pitney, Anthony.
Oh, you tell me say you take the morning after pill and you lie to me about that too.
Fuck you with me, Anthony. Fuck off.
No, so you're going with me? Alright, later. No man, the food that smell good, man. I want in here chef up. Wanna make some mango juice and carrot juice like me tell you food. Yeah man, so I feel love on you, man. Look on all of this.
Noel, I'm gonna need clothes to buy for the baby. So I'm gonna need about 12 grand. And Noel, I need to buy a crib. You gonna get all that first?
Yeah man, me I go buy all of that, man. Don't no worry on your head. When the two baby them come, them a go be set. I'm two now. When I'm a baby, you know, me have to take care of the two of you now. Come here. Mwah. Love you, you know.
I love you too, Noel. Love you a lot.
The way I look sad over there so far.
Come on. Come give your big daddy a kiss. Ready? No.
Wanna go on in there and go set up dinner for me, cause me hungry. I feel like my belly I eat itself. Yeah, go on, someone. Hey, I love you, you know.
I might get my own room.
When 110 say I move go to Canada, no worry, we'll have the house all to ourselves.
That's what I feel love you, you know. Always full of ideas, my baby.
Hey, don't call me that, you know. When you start something you can't finish right now.
But last night was my turn and you didn't come to me first. And I love you more than she loves you, and you know that, Noel.
To you, babe.
I'm serious, Noel. It was my idea yesterday and you didn't even say nothing to me about it. You can't do that.
To you, you can't be greedy. You can't have me all to yourself. You have to share. Like how me share my food with me. But anyways, I want to stop fight.
She's the one always starting it. That's a liar, you know it.
Alright, to stop the argument, okay?
I'm sorry, Big Daddy.
Trust me, when she gone, everything will work in place.